If-else statement explained. Simple words. What does if-else statement mean? An if-else statement is a decision-making structure in programming. It allows the program to choose different actions based on a condition. In simple words, if-else equals if this happens, do this, else, do that. It means the program checks a condition. If the condition is true, it executes one block of code. If the condition is false, it executes another block of code. Helps programs make decisions automatically. So, if-else equals decision-making in code. Example idea. Imagine you want to check if a number is positive or negative. Python example. Number equals 5. If number greater than 0, print positive number. Else, print negative number or 0. Output positive number. If number was -3, output would be negative number or 0. Java example. Int number equals -3. If number greater than 0, opening curly bracket, system.out, println, positive number. Else, system.out, println, negative number or 0, closing curly bracket, output, negative number or 0. Why it matters. Without if-else statements, cross-mark programs cannot make decisions. Cross-mark all code executes the same way, regardless of conditions. Cross-mark tasks like checking input, validating data, or controlling flow become impossible. With if-else statements, check-mark programs can respond differently based on conditions. Check-mark enables dynamic decision-making. Check-mark makes programs smarter and more interactive. How if-else works. Step by step, program evaluates a condition, true or false. If the condition is true, executes the if block. If the condition is false, executes the else block. Program continues after the if-else structure. Flow. Condition means true, means execute if. Condition means false, means execute else. Features of if-else statement. Checks conditions using relational or logical operators. Can have multiple conditions. Using elif or else-if. Helps control program flow. Can be nested inside other if-else statements. Essential for decision-making in programming. Advantages of if-else. Checkmark simple and easy to understand. Checkmark allows conditional decision-making. Checkmark can handle multiple scenarios with elif, else-if. Checkmark makes programs dynamic and interactive. Checkmark works in all programming languages. Disadvantages, challenges. Crossmark too many nested if-else statements can be confusing. Crossmark complex conditions may reduce code readability. Crossmark errors in conditions can lead to wrong program behavior. Common beginner mistakes. Beginners often forget to use proper indentation. Python or braces. Java, C++, use wrong comparison operators. Equals instead of equals. Forget to handle all possible conditions. Make conditions too complex without simplifying. Real-life analogy. If-else statements are like decision-making in real-life shedding tree. If it's raining, take an umbrella. Else, wear sunglasses. Program checks the condition. Raining? Means takes action accordingly. Important point. If-else statements are foundational in programming. They help programs make decisions based on data or user input. Combined with loops and functions, they allow creating dynamic and interactive programs. Simple definition. If-else statement equals a programming structure that allows a program to choose between two or more actions based on a condition. Final summary. Checkmark checks a condition, true or false. Checkmark executes if block if true, else block if false. Checkmark can handle multiple conditions with elif, else-if. Checkmark makes programs smarter, dynamic, and interactive. Checkmark essential for beginner and advanced programming. Without if-else, crossmark programs cannot make decisions. With if-else checkmark programs respond differently based on conditions.